Infinite Elements got its start when we were researchers at NASA Ames Research Center, and we worked on acquiring metals from Mars rocks and moon rocks, with the idea that we would be able to colonize in those places. And we decided to apply this technology to problems here on Earth now. And so a lot of the problems are with electronic waste that has a lot of critical materials and minerals that are not normally recycled. Those minerals have to be mined again. And as grades of ores are declining, we are using our methods to recover metals from mining waste, electronic waste, and smelter waste. The support from the Innovation Factory has been wonderful. It has really accelerated our growth because we are able to move rapidly from the bench scale where we have a lab to the pilot scale where we can demonstrate to customers, investors, and industry that we can recover these metals from materials at the ton scale so that it is an economically viable solution. The Innovation Factory has allowed for us to connect and collaborate with other companies in this space. Our number one goal is to keep El Paso graduates in El Paso. We produce a lot of engineers, a lot of scientists, but there isn't a whole lot of industry to keep us here. We want to have these jobs of the future now. Working with local partners and the university, we are able to train very specifically for these kind of roles in these new kind of green jobs where we're using new methods to acquire these kind of minerals and even manufacturing methods.